Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Spooktacular with the Papercrafters ladies that do the YouTube Hop on a monthly basis. So the theme for this month is kind of the Spooktacular thing, anything Halloween related. This is a sketch that I'm going to use. It is one of them that I've used quite a bit. I always go to this style of sketch to get me started. This is one of those layouts that I did do while I was at the crop. And so this was one of my first layouts that I did do for that evening or whatever when we were there, the first night or whatever. And I had to actually purchase, because I didn't bring any Halloween stuff. I should have looked so that I didn't need to bring anything. So I purchased the Simple Stories new collection, the Faboolous collection, I think is what it's called. But that is the collection that I am using for this particular layout. And the photos that I are talking about is Hocus Pocus 2. It came out obviously October 1st, and I thought, why not do those photos for this particular layout since it's the beginning of October. Now, I will have, obviously, a ton of autumn stuff this year for this month. I actually made sure that I did quite a bit of autumn layout throughout the month of October and probably November, because I'm pretty well caught up with, like, the summer stuff. I mean, I still got a lot of camping trips and stuff that we did, but essentially, I wanted to make sure that I, kind of stayed with the seasons when I scrapbook, because I know that, yes, I do have followers that are on the other spectrum side of the hemisphere, and they're into spring and summer. But I do have a lot of autumn layouts as well that needs to get done too. So make sure that you go check out everybody that is linked down below. There's quite a bit of us, and the autumn season, September through November, is, I don't know which one is my, favorite, but I do know that this season and the winter season, I don't want to say, Christmas season itself, because I do love winter in a nutshell between, from September to February are, I would say my favorite months. I mean, I love all the months. I haven't really narrowed down to yes, this is my favorite holiday or my favorite season, but I do have to say that I do a lot more in these months than I do probably the other months combined. But I am just taking, so I did a charcuterie board that night for the movie, and then I did find this picture of the bottom picture is a stock photo from the movie itself, and then the photo is us watching it and where they come out of the little speck that they do, and then the charcuterie board. So that is my title. It is going to be called Faboolous, and I'm just working on putting all of this together, and then I do all of my embellishments. I love doing this sketch. This sketch is one of my favorites. It's a good starting one if you feel that you don't know what to do. It's got layers and it's got steps for you to just quickly do things. And I thought it's always been my go-to if I'm struggling. And if you've listened to any of my other layouts before this one and a little bit afterwards, you will know that I was struggling in the month of September. And this one was a good one to get started with when it came to just doing the collections and stuff and just getting myself acclimated back to scrapbooking again. I love the background paper that Simple Stories gives us here. I like that there's the moon, it's that feel of Hocus Pocus for sure when it comes to this. And I just like the shelves of the candy corn because it makes it look well. And then I like the fact that the house is appearing just a little bit behind, but not all of it, just because of the way I set this page up. So I am placing down all of these little bits and bobs that I love about this collection. I did purchase it from, I think 2Gs. Yeah, 2Gs. And so make sure that I'll link their shop down below. Connie over there is amazing. She does do a lot of lives and whatnot with the collections she gets in, and that's how I know like what's coming up and if I like them or not before I purchase them. And this particular collection, I was not going to get any more autumn or Halloween collections, and yet I had to anyway due to the fact that I needed to get this layout done for today's hop while I was there. And oh, well, there we go. But I'm going through, I got the simple, like the kit that they put together, like the page kits. I got one of those embellishment kits, and then I did get the ephemera that you see right there, the bits and stuff, and then I got the collection where you get all the papers and whatnot. So I am just placing everything down on this one. This particular day, when I was scrapbooking and I was gone, I didn't get my nails done, so I was trying to pick everything up. I should have gotten them done before I left, but I just got them as I'm doing this voiceover. I just got them done today, which is literally a whole week later. So they grew out even just more, and I couldn't even film. I had to like go get my nails done. This is the one part of having nails done with acrylic that drives me nuts, but they're protecting my nails, so you know. It's kind of that give and take situation. But yeah, I'm just placing down all of my bits and bobs. And then Fran had these gold trims, this strip, and I'm pretty sure that she had other colors on it. But what I did is that I cut it and then I placed it. I didn't even realize I left my earbud piece in there. So off to the left-hand side while I was scrapbooking, I always bring my laptop and I play videos and I catch up on useless movie like stuff. So I've been watching, and I got completely caught up on Billions, which is on Showtime, but I have Paramount, and Paramount teams up with Showtime all the time, and so I've been watching Billions, and oh my gosh, for me in numbers, that movie or that TV series is freaking fantastic, and it's on its last season now. So I've binge watched the last 3 months 7 seasons worth of Billions, because that is where my mind was at, was doing mindless stuff. But now I'm back, obviously. So I'm just putting those down, and then I think I do come in with some gold splatters and some more little bits just to add to this collection and this layout. I really love how this turns out. Make sure you go check out everybody. That's linked down below. Make sure you check out the still shots that are coming up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad to have you. I upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations like this, design team layouts, and all of the fun stuff. If you are coming from one of those other channels as well, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.